So why does this matter? Because you've been praying from a place of lack instead of from the place of already having. Jesus never asked, "Please God, give me." He declared, "Thank you that you always hear me." That's advanced manifestation. That's certainty. Joseph Murphy called it the subconscious engine. He said your inner beliefs write the script for your outer life. And Reverend Ike said it even simpler. You can't get rich thinking poor. So ask yourself, when you say "I am," what are you declaring? Because your subconscious is always listening. If you say "I am broke" or "I am tired," you're speaking death into your frequency. But when you say "I am powerful," "I am rising," "I am blessed," you're commanding the quantum field to obey. This isn't hype. This is principle. Jesus mastered it. Neville practiced it. I lived it. That's how I scaled to millions and then billions, by thinking, feeling, and acting like it was already mine. And here's the secret they never told you. God lives in your imagination. That's where your future is formed. When you imagine vividly and feel it now, you impress it onto the quantum field. As Neville said, imagination is God. Don't pray to God like he's far away. Pray from God, as if you and Source are one, because you are. Jesus said, "The kingdom of God is within you." So own that. Speak with authority, feel with certainty, act with alignment, and reality must shift. Your final homework. Tonight as you fall asleep, repeat, "I am aligned with divine power. I am already that which I desire." Let that frequency rewrite your subconscious, and watch what happens. Before you go, remember to like, subscribe, and comment your biggest realization. You're not just learning, you're transforming. This is Elliott. I'll see you in the next dimension.